Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Exness to MT5. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your Exness trading account to the MT5 app using the account details provided inside Exness. This process is straightforward, but it's important to enter each detail carefully so the connection works properly. To begin, open the Exness app on your device. Once the app is open, look toward the right side of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find the account information needed for MT5. After entering Settings, scroll toward the bottom and tap on the option to copy the server. The server name is important because MT5 uses it to locate the correct broker connection. Copying it directly helps avoid typing mistakes, which can prevent login from working. Next, leave Exness and open the MT5 app. Once you're inside MT5, find and tap Add Trading Account. This option allows you to connect an existing broker account rather than creating a new one. When prompted, paste the server you copied from the Exness app into MT5. Make sure the pasted server appears correctly before moving on. Even a small error in the server field can stop the account from linking, so it's a good idea to double check it. After that, go back to the Exness app again and copy your login from there. This is the account login ID associated with your trading account. Be sure you are copying the correct login for the account you want to use in MT5, especially if you manage more than one account. Now return to MT5 and paste that login into the appropriate field. This saves time and reduces the chance of entering the wrong number manually. Once the login is in place, enter your password and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Take your time during this final part and review everything before confirming. If MT5 accepts the server, login, and password, your Exness account should be linked successfully. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't work on the first try, go back and check the server name, log in, and password carefully. Most issues happen because one of these details was entered incorrectly. Also, make sure you're using a stable internet connection while signing in. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of linking Exness to MT5, and once connected, you'll be able to access your trading account directly from the MT5 app.